Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers from core of my heart for supporting. Today, a question Math Olympiad challenge: how to prove x multiplies y 1 minus y square multiplies 1 minus z square plus y multiplies 1 minus z square multiplies 1 minus x square plus z multiplies 1 minus x square and 1 minus y square equals to 4 while x, y, z, given that x plus y plus z equals to x, y, z. So I don't claim whatever I write that is the only method to prove it, but I am proving this using another method, that is using trigonometry. So how to do it? Let x equals to tan alpha, y equals to tan beta, and z equals to tan gamma. Then next I am writing the formula for tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma. Tan alpha plus beta plus gamma, sorry, so this equals to tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma minus tan alpha into tan beta into tan gamma whole upon 1 minus tan alpha it's not minus plus tan beta tan gamma tan alpha tan gamma. Now it is given that x plus y plus z equals to xyz. So I'll apply the same here on the right hand side of the equation. So this right side of the equation will be x plus y plus z minus xyz whole upon 1 minus plus xy plus yz plus zx. So this numerator will become 0. Since given x plus y plus z equals to 0, so tan alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to 0, because the numerator of the right hand side becoming 0. So tan alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0. That means we can say alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to n pi when n is an integer. Next I'll come to write tan twice alpha plus twice beta plus twice gamma. So that will be also 0, because since alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to n pi, so this will be 2n pi, it will be 0. So applying the formula for left hand side, it will be tan 2 alpha plus tan 2 times of beta plus tan 2 times of gamma minus tan 2 alpha to beta to tan 2 gamma whole upon plus 2 alpha tan 2 beta tan 2 gamma 2 alpha tan 2 gamma is equals to 0. So now it is given that tan alpha equals to x. So tan twice alpha will be 2x over 1 minus x square. So applying the same, tan 2 beta equals to 2y over 1 minus y square equals to 2z over 1 minus z square. So applying the on the left hand side, we'll get tan 2 alpha plus tan 2 beta plus tan 2 gamma to tan 2 alpha into tan 2 beta gamma as your this new denominator into 0 will be 0. Tan 2 alpha equals to 2x over 1 minus x square plus 2y over 1 minus y square plus 2z over 1 minus z square equals to 2x over 1 minus x square multiplied 2y over 1 minus y square multiplies 2z over 1 minus z square. And simplifying the left hand side, I'll get 2x into 1 minus y square into 1 minus z square plus 2y 1 minus x square 1 minus z square plus 2z into 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. The LCM will be your minus x square into 1 minus y square multiplied 1 minus z square. So this is same as the right hand side will be your 8xyz over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square into 1 minus z square. So we can cancel 2 from each side, we'll get the desired result. And the denominator will be cancelled. 2, it will be 4. This gives x into 1 minus y square, 1 minus z square plus y into 2, 2 will be cancelled from each, 1 minus square square plus z into 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square equals to your 4xyz. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.